Don't want to criticize Paula. You know, Paula, everyone can make a YouTube video. Look at Teacher May, the Borsho, my former teacher. She makes a YouTube video about the closing program, her bonding with her friends, with Teacher Riza, Teacher Marisa. Who else? The closing program, 2012, during I was a time with Teacher Joy. The documentaries with Teacher Evelyn. I watched the videos from Teacher May Tiburcio because what is that YouTube of Teacher May? Reese, I think. I do not know what's her YouTube account. I know everyone can make YouTube. Like my friend Bill Galang also, he studied there in Santo Rosario Sped School, which was located in Bulacan. Because I know I interview with my mom, I say to her, Bill Galang is studying at the Santo Rosario Sped School and he's not working in the coffee shop. Oh, he's not working. That's really false. How would you say Bill Galang working there in a coffee shop? No, Bill Galang is studying there in Santo Rosario Sped School. I saw his YouTube video. I was the viewer. I was um, um, a witness. Unlike me, I want to start my own blog in my YouTube. Unlike Bill Galang, my friend Bill Galang had studied there in Santo Rosario Sped School because I see in his YouTube video, even in Facebook. Oh, I saw his what is the study place? Santo Rosario Sped School. It's a school of Bill Galang. Well, he studied there since 2022. That was 4 years he studied there. After he left the CDIFI. Me, I left the CDIFI since 2020 during pandemic, and I stopped studying. That all I have to do, I start my own blog like Cedric Mariano. Even Bill Galang. I start my YouTube blogs. But here's the question anyway, for Paulo Cruzada. You know Paulo Cruzada. I know you're a former student with Teacher May. Why can't you make a YouTube vlog like Bill Galang? Oh, even for Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, you start your own YouTube vlog. Mark Cruz, you should never attack Christian Mingito, even Jerick Silva. And first of all, the K-pop star Jennie Kim, that I was told by Christian Mingito, he doesn't know Jennie Kim. Jennie Kim is no longer in Blackpink. Even Lisa Manoban and the rest of the others, there's no K-pop. Even Juan Carlo Pabale. You know Juan Carlo Pabale. Here's my accusations against you. Juan Carlo Pabale is my enemy list. You know Juan Carlo Pabale, don't make false news. Huwag kang gawa-gawang kwento like I said. You're saying about that Christian Mengito is really no Janie Kim. How would you ever that Christian Mengito knows Janie Kim? He never knows Janie Kim. Christian is focusing in the church, just like Kuya Bear, just like Wawel Romero. If I were you, Juan Carlo Pabale, I know I heard that you're saying about you curse me a PI word in Tagalog, and you call me GAGO. You know, Juan Carlo Pabale, wag ka kasi mayabang. It means you should never be a manipulative. If I were you, Juan Carlo Pabale, I will put you in my enemy list together with Paulo Cruzada and Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. Juan Carlo Pabale, stop making rumors about Christian Mengito that he is for example, he has a crush with Janie Kim, or you're fighting over with K-pop with Jerick Silva. The Blackpink already, the Blackpink? The Blackpink is already no longer in South Korea. Lisa Manoban had returned to Thailand, and even Janie Kim has performed APT song like from Bruno Mars, and also the others who were left in the South Korean girl band Blackpink. It's already over. As Teacher May Tiburcio, Juan Carlo Pabale. Juan Carlo Pabale, I just want to say to you, Christian Mengito is not having a crush with Janie Kim, and he doesn't know her. Hindi niya kilala yon. At the time, Christian Mengito said to me, I haven't met Janie Kim. Hindi ko po yan kilala. You know that. Juan Carlo Pabale? As you can see, you always met the politicians like Tito Soto. You met the others in Itbulaga, Vic Soto, Joey De Leon, even the Gabbercads. And you met all the celebrities. You were still there. Juan Carlo Pabale, don't be such a manipulative. As you can see, you go to the car museum in the Philippines, in Laguna, in Metro Manila, even the auto car shows in what I was mentioned by Ronan Cayabyab in Pasay City. Unlike you, Juan Carlo Pabale, I went to Japan. I failed to go to the car museum, Toyota Commemorative Museum in Nagoya. I failed. Because every Monday, it was really close. In Euphowind Car Museum, it's close also. Oh. Everything is close. Last 2024, 2 years ago. Juan Carlo Pabale, stop being yourself manipulative. Me, I am saying, I know Juan Carlo Pabale is collecting a diecast of Hot Wheels, like Larry Chuanico and even me. Juan Carlo Pabale, first of all, the Blackpink is no longer in South Korea like the K-pops. For me, Juan Carlo Pabale, I don't want too much abusive and full of your hatred over at me last 2019. You cursed me a PI word, and you threatening me that you said ipapatulpo kita. That's not really work. Juan Carlo Pabale. Juan Carlo Pabale, if I were you, you need to apologize to me for your curse words and you saying a bad words over at me last 2019. You threatening me that you said, you ipapatulpo kita, and you call me a PI. What's the word? The putang ina words. That's really a bad words. Juan Carlo Pabale, you should be ashamed of yourself. If you'd never be ashamed, you will be happen like Paulo Cruzada. You will be happen like Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. If I were you, Juan Carlo Pabale, you should change yourself. Don't be such a abusive.